Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again, I'm present with the latest update of Dogecoin, my friends. Absolutely, my friends. In this video, I'm talking about the good news of Dogecoin. So keep watching this video because this video gonna be interesting for all of your friends. Anyways, before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please, if you listen my voice, subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. My friends, if you look the latest price of Dogecoin in the market, so 0.31574 USD dollar is the currently latest price of Dogecoin in the market. On the other side, if you look the price change occur in the Dogecoin, so the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, price change occur in the Dogecoin is going negative. My friends, a lot of people also ask me questions about Dogecoin, that why the price is fast down and when will the price again rise up, my friends. So finally, friends, I decided to make a good decision for everyone on the basis of technical analysis, on the basis of my personal research, my friends. You can see here now on the screen, that is the price chart of the Dogecoin after last 1 month. So you can see here in the start of month, the price of Dogecoin is fast down. You can see here, that is the last 1 month price chart. The price is continuously dumps now, my friends. And now at this time, live, they are also in the dumping mood. The price at this time is also fast down, my friends. So why the price fast down, my friends? There is only one reason. As you know, it is the end of month, and the end of month every cryptocurrency is fast down, my friends. So maybe that is due to this, the price is fast down. A short-term investor going to sell Dogecoin and they want profit from Dogecoin. That is why the price of Dogecoin at this time fast down, my friends. But the second talk is that now the good news, the good news is that in the start of June, you can see here in the start of May, Dogecoin take a huge pump. So same like that, my friends, there's a lot of chances. There is 80-90% chances to they take a huge pump in the start of June. 1st June is the pumping jumping day of Dogecoin, my friends. What do you think? What is your opinion? What is your prediction about Dogecoin? My prediction is that in the start of June, Dogecoin will take a huge pump. That's my prediction, my friends. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.